I didn't even see you guys there. Let me put this down. What's up, goats? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get these headlights for $150. Let's get into it. Alright, so before I start on this video, I do have to let you guys know, now this video was all over the place. My intentions weren't to video this process at first, but then I was like, might as well show everybody how I do it, because everybody's gonna ask me, how did I get this done? Where did I get this done? How much did I pay for it? I know there's gonna be a lot of questions, so I said, might as well make a video, show them how to do it. So if you guys or somebody who asked me on Instagram how to make these headlights, here's your tutorial. So let's do it. Alright, real quick, I just want to show you guys something. Opening up the headlights is one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It was very frustrating and very time consuming. Reason being, I didn't know what I was doing. I was just doing the first thing that came to my mind. All I know is that I wanted 2 halos and I want an LED strip going across just like that. I didn't want the GTR headlights. I just wanted one strip going all the way up. Now, this is the headlight opened up. Now, the headlight is in 3 pieces. You have the lens, you have the piece that goes onto the lens right here, and then you have the inside of the headlights just like that. First thing I'm going to show you guys, let's see if you guys can see that a little better with the light in, is going to be the fog light housing. If you have the 08 version, this is considered your fog light. Alright, so when you go to the back of the headlight housing, there's going to be 2 bolts. Both of these bolts here are here to adjust your headlight. So basically, the beam that comes out of your headlight, you're able to level it up and down. If you have it too high up, you're going to be blinding the drivers. If you have it too far down, you're not going to be able to see the road. These 2 adjust that. In order to get that housing that I showed you guys in front, or that shroud, however you guys want to call it, you have to bolt this or unbolt this all the way out. Now with these 2 bolts, they do not come out, so you can't remove them, but they do make the headlight housing or the fog light housing go all the way out. So what you're going to need in order to get this job done, you're going to need an 8mm, which we have right here. See if I can show you guys. You need an 8mm. I have it on my impact, and we're gonna put it right here. So then your next step after you done unscrew that, you're gonna want to yank this out. Now that sounds crazy, I know, but I'm telling you guys what it is. You're gonna need some force to pull it out. So you're gonna start at the bottom right here. You're gonna start, like, if you grip it like right here, you're gonna pull. So try to get some force on it and pull out. Now as I pulled that one out, both of the bottom pieces came out. So when you take it off, you might need to go back on there with this piece right here. And then as you can see, it comes right out. Now there is a little thing in the back right here. You're gonna want to unclip that so that you don't snag it. Comes off just like that. Then the whole piece or the whole assembly come out just like this. In the back, what you're pulling out are gonna be these 2 balls right here. Pause. This is what's holding it in. So there's no bolts or clips. All you gotta do is there's no bolts or anything that's holding it in. You just pull this forward like that and it comes straight out. Alright, so the next step you're gonna want to do is take out this bracket right here. What's holding it in is a Phillips head right here and a Phillips head right there. So you're gonna get your Phillips head and you're just gonna take it out. And with those screws out, you then just literally pull it out just like that. The next thing that I went for is this white shroud right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to take that out. Mine is a little dirty. My headlight has been out for a minute. Like when I say a minute, I literally mean it's been out for a while. So first thing you're going to do is a Phillips head right here. So the first thing, there's a Phillips head right here that you're going to want to take out. So you're going to take your drill, take that out, just like that. And it literally just pops out. Or pops off, so you literally pull it forward and it comes out just like that. That's it. Now I can't really pull mine too much forward because I already have everything connected on mine, but on the back version of this is exactly what we just took out. On the back version, there's 2 screws. There's one right there and one up there. You're gonna take it off and then it's gonna separate itself from this plastic piece right here. Alright, so don't be as stupid as me. When I was taking off that piece, I started painting everything. Everything went according to plan. I painted the inside. I painted that shroud. Everything. It was good. Then I accidentally had paint on my finger. So this finger right here, I had paint on it. And as I was putting it back on, the piece was dry, but the paint on my finger was still wet. I don't know how. I don't think it was wet. I think it was just the residue. And I accidentally brushed my finger over the lens. And now there's a white, I guess you could say, residue on my lens. I don't know if that's going to affect my output. I don't know if it's going to affect anything. But I did mess up by touching the lens. So please, please, I stress, please try to be careful with that lens. If anything, just cover it up. Do something. But whatever you do, do not touch the lens. Alright, now let's say in the most foreseen way, you want to take out this shroud right here because maybe you just want to clean out the entire housing, make sure everything is good. There's a bolt up here, and then literally these two at the bottom, you just pull it off just like that and it comes out. So the next thing we're going to take off is this little bracket right here that it covers your side marker light. Just like that, it comes right out. So now I got it right here. The last piece that you'll be taking out is this piece right here that's holding in your turning signal. So it's literally one screw that's holding this in, and the screw is going to be right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the screw that's holding that in. It's a little deep in there, so I'm not able to use my impact, so I had to go ahead and get myself a screwdriver. Same Phillips head, so you're going to go in there, take that out. But the way you disassemble this, there's going to be 3 screws. There's 1, 2, 3 right here. Alright, so boom, I got all 3 out. So we got 1, 2, 3 out, and then just like that, this literally comes out. What I would recommend though, just taking up this piece first, starting from the top and pull up. Trust me when I say there's nothing else holding it in. It's just really stubborn, and mine is even more stubborn because I have the strip on there and everything. But literally just like that, it comes out. Boom. And then if you want to take this clear piece out, which I recommend if you're going to paint it, there's 2 screws. There's 1 screw right here, and then the other screw is right there. So you just take both of those out and this clear piece comes out. Alright, so before I assemble everything, I just want to show you, because I know you guys are going to have this question. What did I use to paint? So I got me some Rust-Oleum paint. It's a paint and primer, black. It's a gloss black, as you guys can see right there. I picked this up at, I believe it was Home Depot that I actually got these, and they were $6 each. Wasn't that bad. So I picked up 2 black, and I also picked up a white because I wanted my shroud to be white. Now, if you guys want to make it any other color, you can. But this is a paint and primer. That's the process right there. And then I also picked up some gloss clear. So with this, it just makes it glossy so that it doesn't leave it a matte finish. So this right here is a side marker. I had some leftover tint that I'd used for my taillight, and I tried to tint this. I did a good job, to be honest with you. I just didn't want to put it in. So let me explain, right? When I was taking this out, I think I broke it because when I took it out, it snapped. I heard like pieces snap and crackle pop, you know, snap, pop, crack. And I was scared. I was like, damn, I broke something, which it looked like I really did, because if you look right up top, there's like a little head on there. And then on the bottom too, that head is missing. So I think I did break it, and I didn't want to risk it again. So I just left the regular side markers in there, and I didn't feel like wrapping it again. And I didn't want to spray paint it because I felt like if I spray paint it, it was going to leave a really nasty mark on there. So I just left it the way it is, to be honest with y'all. But this is also an option. If you guys have the patience to take this out, I'd recommend taking it out because it would look so hot. Oh my God, it looks sexy. But that's it. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was very informative to somebody. I hope it was able to help somebody build their headlights. This is my first time doing it. As you guys can see, I was learning as I go. I made some mistakes that I could definitely learn from. So if I had to do this again, I would know exactly what to do this time, and I would know how to make it a lot better per se. Later down the line, I might just go on Facebook and order maybe some used headlights and try this again, because now I have the thought of what I'm doing and how to make it better and how to make it look a lot better. This was just a test run. What I'm also gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna link every tool that you need down below, so that you literally just gotta click the link and order it. Most of the things that I'm linking below as of today, when I'm making this video, you're able to order it same day. As long as it's not a Saturday or Sunday, you're able to get it within the same day. So just pay attention to that. If you're watching this later in the video, pretty sure you're still able to get the same thing. If not, then just run to AutoZone or Pet Boys or somewhere where you could get it the same day. It should be the same result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do, goats. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiverseDJ, because I did post this on my Instagram 2 weeks before this video went live. So if you guys want to see things early, or if you guys want to catch early content, hit my Instagram. And also, if you guys made it this far into the video, go downstairs and comment goat season, because you guys are real goats for watching this whole video through. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.